Hi, this is Raven. This video is a request from a subscriber who wants to know how to drag dead bodies. So that's not an option in Arma as standard. So I've actually got a script, and the script's not mine. It's made by someone else, and I will put a link to that in the description in my Dropbox. If you use it, I'll go through how to use it, but if you use it, please obviously show them credit where it's due. So here I've just got a player and I've got a survivor so he doesn't turn around and kill me. And I'll just show you it working and then I'll show you how you have to set it up. Just press play. Okay. Bloody hell. So go up to body and use a scroll wheel, and you can see there we've got the option to drag body. So we're just pressing the space, and now we can drag their body, and I can still shoot whilst I'm dragging. And I can release the body, again pressing space, and if I go back up to the body I can get that option back again, drag the body, release the body. It's a very good script. You see it works perfectly. I assume this is for a some kind of stealth mission you're putting together, so that's that. I'll show you how we put it together. So I'm in that mission folder, that demo I just showed you, and literally the only two files you need is this drag body script SQF file and the init file. So if we open up the init first, now you can see it's just literally one line, and all it's doing is saying when, as the init file fires, when the mission starts, it's saying fire this SQF file. Now you might have an init file already. If you do, and you've got other things in your init, all you've got to do is copy and paste this line underneath. So yeah, just copy and then just paste it in underneath whatever else you've got going on. Okay, so if I close that and we'll open up this script. So this script was made by Banger Bob, also known as Hater Maker, and you don't have to do anything to it at all. So don't touch it, just stick it in your mission folder. The only thing you need to do is add that line in your init, or just put this in it in your folder. So what I'll do is I will put both these files in a zip folder and I'll put them in my Dropbox, and then you can just download them and stick them in your folder. That's it, it's that simple. Okay, hope that was helpful. Good luck.